Hi everyone. See that hole where my finger is sticking out of? That's where the backup camera goes. I did get the replacement backup camera. I'm going to put it in now. Hopefully it works, because if not, then I don't know what else I can do. And guess what? They did not give me... Oh, there it is. Okay. This is the new backup camera. And you fish this wire through, because I've watched videos. It's going to be kind of hard to do it one-handed. There we go. And then supposedly this snaps right in. Other than that's not facing right. But that is. There we go. So that's snapped in. Because I am not going to attach this portion of it until I know for sure that it works. So let me try to see if I can do it one-handed, which I don't think I can. So you just snap those wires together. This piece is the retaining clip, and it's going to be kind of hard for me to do until I and I can't do it one-handed. Well, oh, come on. There we go. There we go. See this white retaining clip? It just snaps in. And there's the backup camera, so we will see if it works. What do I do with my keys? I'm going to take that plastic off, because it didn't work when I bought the car, so we'll see. Yeah, I know the trunk's open because I don't have it completely closed. I just want to make sure that that comes up, because that'll let me know if it's working or not. And I haven't started this in over a week. And it works! Haha! Success! I've fixed it! So now my backup camera works. So now, I now gotta finish. So now I gotta take this, and I gotta clip that in. If I can do it. It'll be hard. There we go. So there. So now when I put the top reverse, you can actually see it better. Yeah, it's going to want me to accept that stupid warning message. So now, and amazingly, my backup camera works. And it only cost me $60 for a replacement backup camera. It didn't work when I bought the car, so now that it works, I am happy. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.